Hey everybody, welcome back to another 10-minute Marvel video. I'm Petter, and today we got some boxes to open. I'm going to do, actually recording 3 different videos here because I have 3 different new Upper Deck products. Not new, but new to me Upper Deck products that I want to look at. The first here being the Shang-Chi box. Now, if you remember from my thoughts on WandaVision, I thought it's okay. I don't love the stills. This, however, is a more vibrant show or movie, so I'm hoping that the images will be a little bit more vibrant and the cards will be cooler for that. They are definitely more so. Not all of these are great action shots, stuff like that. But the cool thing is these edges here are like beveled. Ooh, of course, I turned it the wrong way. We have Katie here. That is a cool card. I love that. And then we have this one, which has the red compared to the normal gold. Now, if I'm not mistaken, looking at here, we have I'm not finding the exact ratio here, but then I'm curious. This is Spectromatic stickers. So this is actually a sticker. Spectromatic stickers are silver, 1 in every 7.5 packs. They couldn't give some other number for it, like 2 in 15. Okay. Oh. I like these better than the WandaVision ones, which is a shame because I like WandaVision better. A black label one, or green, and then red again. So it looks like you get a red in every one. Then that second to last slot is going to be the one that holds your unique card. This is making me want to watch Shang-Chi again, so I guess that's a good element to it. Another one of the green, it looks like. And then we'll finish off with the red back here. Ooh, that one's a fun shot with the rings. We have 2 more packs to open. Thus far, I'm slightly more impressed than the WandaVision ones, but it's still, it has a problem of whenever you do stills, screenshots like this, that's just less interesting. And some of these, like the Night Adventures one, great. It's an additional something to chase, but it's not that interesting a chase. The sticker is by far the coolest. That is the best pull thus far, even if the other one maybe is rare. We'll look that up in a second here. Ten Ring Soldiers. Shang-Chi. But I do like the emboss. I said bevel, I think. Emboss on every one of these cards. So, definitely a few interesting ones here. This one These two come from different subsets, and then probably the coolest pull being Katie again. But there we have the Shang-Chi cards. Let me know what you think of them. Leave a comment down below. Which was your favorite pull, artwork? Not really artwork, still. And do you prefer if it is artwork or stills? If you enjoy this content, please subscribe. Click the thumbs up on the video as well. That help more people find 10-Minute Marvel and help the channel and the podcast grow. Because yes, there's a podcast. We don't just open up packs of stuff or talk about show off comic books or whatever it might be. We have a podcast that comes out weekly, every Tuesday, where we talk about the latest Marvel news and cover some sort of topic. So check out those. You can find them on the podcast tab over here on YouTube or wherever you get your friendly neighborhood podcasts from. But with that, we'll see you next time.